Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 20 Dinka to English word. So, watch the video to the end so that you can learn this 20 Dinka word. Let's begin from word number one. Word number one is wallet. Wallet in Dinka is called Jack. 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 Whip. Whip. In Dinka is called atiak-tiak. 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 Atiak-tiak mean wave. The one in the ocean. Walk. In Dinka mean chat. 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 Walk. Whirlwind is called core. 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 Wind in Dinka is called yum. 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 Ya. Om. Ma. Ya. O. Ma. Yum. Widow in Dinka is called ler. 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 Ting. Ler. Wipe in Dinka is called tick. 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 Ta. Ika. Tick. Was in Dinka is called a pin. A pin. A pin. Wallow in Dinka is called rotdalping. 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 Wallow. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpecker is called twig twig. Twig twig. Twig twig. Twig twig is a bird. Twig twig. Ta u eka. Ta u eka. Twig twig. One in Dinka mean witch. Witch. Wedding in Dinka is called rai. 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 Ra u I e. Rai. Well in Dinka is called eat. 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 That's where you get water. You dug deep the hole and get water from there. It's called eat. Well. Yeah. Eat. Eat. Way in Dinka mean pew nut. Pew nut. Pew nut. Pew nut. Way. You get from milk. Fermented milk. Way. Water in Dinka is called pew. Pew. Pa. Iu. Pew. What in Dinka is called amet. 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 A. Ma. E. Et. A. Ma. E. Et. Amet. Amet is called what? Whale in Dinka is called diao or dur. Diao, dur. Da, u, ura. Da, u, ura. Dur. To cry because you lost someone or you are in pain. You wail. Weeds mean yacht. Ya u ota. Ya u ota. Yacht. The one that grow in your garden is called yacht in Dinka. Weeds. Oud ibis mean ger. Ga era. Ger. Wood ibis is a bird. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are 20 words in Dinka language. So, if you find this one useful, please consider to subscribe, like, and share our video. Also, comment. If you know some word in Dinka language, put them in the comment section. I also want to know from you also. Okay. Thank you very much. Watch the video to the end and turn on notifications so that you get all the updates when we upload the Dinka language lessons here. I'm William. I'm Busas William. Dorniali Kawek Kuyania. Bye bye. See you next lessons. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Please like the video. Okay? Bye.